This is the King's Long Travel Vacuum Backpack. Many pockets. You have 3 pockets here for putting extra easy access supplies. When you open it, you have again many pockets. Pockets you can put here, you can put dirty clothes or wet clothes. Here you have a vacuum seal where you can put clothes. In here, hold the button for 2 seconds and it pulls out all the air so you have more space for other things. It is USB-C that is included in the bag. Other pockets, you have for a laptop. You have a laptop, a place for a tablet or for other electronics. It is expandable. You can increase the size up to 10 centimeters for increase things that you can pack. It also has the strap for attaching to your suitcase and an extra pocket for your phone or for your passport. The King's Long Vacuum Travel Backpack.